Today is our last full day in the Cayman Islands. Pretty weird night last night in terms of sleep. I ended up having some sort of nightmare and I woke up like freaking out and Steph was like, go back to sleep, it was just a dream. And then I had 3 more dreams that night. But we're up now. Time to fly the drone! Just finished flying the drone. This is the aftermath and Steph's hair of the wind. Disaster. It's a beautiful disaster. We are back out into the wild again. First to the grocery store, then to the lobby to find some transportation for tomorrow. And then we are gonna head to the ocean and see if we can try and not get blown away by the crazy winds. The high-end brand at the top. Then we have the middle tier brand. And then we have the cheapo brand of rum cakes. So there was about 5 minutes of sun. No, it was more like a couple hours, but we just got caught in the rain. So we're sneaking back to the hotel room. So what'd you get? Electric cars are definitely a thing, even in the Cayman Islands.
Guess what else is? Subway.
This video is not sponsored by Subway. The apartments in this complex are set up really weird. So half of them are hotels, half of them are owned by people. And because of this, they all have air conditioners that are completely separate from the units and separate from each other. So every unit has to manage and maintain and run their own air conditioner, which is kind of crazy. We have made this walk like 6 or 7 times today. We're doing it one more time to try and put our feet in the ocean. We'll see if it's raining. Video editing on my Pixel book before we head out to dinner. So how's that keto going?
Hilarious. Today is my outfit.
And here we have second dinner because the first one was terrible. All right, so we just had a terrible, terrible dinner at the Australian restaurant Tucka down the street. Ended up paying more than $100 for food that we basically didn't eat. So then we were still so hungry that we came back to the bar at the hotel. We had a grilled cheese sandwich and a lava cake with some extra ice cream.
So good.
And it fixed us up for the most part. And now it's time to do a little bit of packing and go to sleep. Good night.